Contrary to most people's opinions, homeschooling is not just limited to primary school students. In fact, there are many homeschooling courses available for college students as well, both offline and online. Homeschooling has been gaining more popularity in recent years because parents wanted more control over their child's education. Parents wanted to oversee what their children is learning and teach them the right way. There are also afraid of peer influences from other students. They may pick up bad habits such as smoking, alcoholism, gambling and violence, etc. For higher-level college education, there are several types of homeschooling programs available. It depends on the type of education you prefer your child to undertake. Most homeschooling college programs are quite flexible in that the program curriculum can be changed to suit the student rather than the other way around in traditional colleges. One type is religion college homeschooling. They have homeschooling curriculum that have religious studies as part of their education. Another type focus on the science while another focus on the arts. It can also be a combination of the above since college homeschooling is quite flexible. You can cater your homeschooling curriculum based on the interest of your child. One thing all these college homeschooling programs have in common is that they can be taught at the pace your child is comfortable with. Since each child learns differently and at different pace, the college homeschooling program can be altered to suit each child's learning progress. There are also college homeschooling programs offered in your local area. Some are theme-based while others are focused on a particular subject. It will help if you can find yourself aligned with a homeschooling group in your local community. If not, you can do it online via the numerous homeschooling forums online. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.